Hello again, YouTube, and welcome to part 4 of the Boxy SVG Tips and Tricks playlist. This time, we're going to be talking about gradients. So, you may notice that there's no gradient tool over here, but you can still use gradients. And when I say gradients, I'm not talking about just gradients in one of the panels. I'm talking about an actual manual and real-time preview of gradients, very similar to a gradient tool in other software. So first, I'm going to select this object, and now I'm going to go over here into the fill panel. And first, you have to set a gradient in one of the panels, and it will select a gradient based on the color that you already have filled, which I like. Now, if you want manual control over the gradient, then you have to click the Edit tool. Now you'll see that you have this line here, and now you have manual control over your gradient. And if you select one of these nodes, you can easily change your color, and select the other node, you can change this one too. I'm going to leave this as purple since I think this looks pretty cool. Now let's say you want to add a color in between. You want to double click anywhere in between, and now you can create a new color. Let's say pink. Yeah, this is looking cool. Now you have additional options. So you can choose their type of gradient. There is the linear gradient, which is line-based, and then there is the radial gradient, which is circle-based or radial. But in this case, I'm going to keep it as linear. Now, you'll see that there are other options down here. You probably wonder, what is this spread here? So let's say I were to have this come down, because you will not be able to see the different options if this whole line is covering the entire object. So let me show you what this is. Pad means that this is the end of the gradient, and this is the end of the other side of the gradient. But repeat means that it will keep repeating, and then reflect means that at the end it will reflect. So these are some really cool features here. Now, something that I also really like about the gradient functions in Boxy SVG is that not only can you change the gradient of your fills, but you can also change the gradient of your strokes. And I like that because some other vector drawing applications do not do that. So again, just select your object, and then under the stroke panel, just select your gradient. Now by default, you'll notice that you don't see anything, and that is because by default this is black. So I'm going to just get my edit tool, and you'll see that both sides of the gradient is exactly the same, and that's why you're not seeing a gradient effect. So let's change that. Let's select one of these points, and then you'll see color comes up. Let's change this to, let's say, blue, and now you're starting to see a result. Now let's say you want to remove one of the nodes here. So let's say you want to remove this one in the middle. So all you do is click the node and then delete. And it will not delete your gradient, it will not delete your object, it will just delete that one node. So now you know how to create gradients. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments.